Imagine creating and scheduling 30 days of content for your brand from the comfort of your home in less than an hour using AI. Let me show you step by step how I do it. My name is Haik and let's jump into it. I opened Picsart Flow on my Mac. So let's create a brand new and fresh page to start creating from scratch. The first step here is to come up with a written strategy before I start creating 30 images. So I'll simply choose text. I'm going to write this in the prompt box so it generates a 30-day social media plan to grow my brand. Create a 30-day social media posting plan for the brand soft proof. Include hashtags, captions with 30 or less words. Use the reference images of the pastries, logos, and the store for inspiration of the content, as well as visual direction for the post. By the way, I generated some branded images in Picsart Flow earlier, so I'll just upload them on the left side. This includes the brand logo, some professional food photos of my pastries, and some images of the interior and the exterior of the pop-up. Now, they will be used as visual reference images as stated in the prompt. Then I'm going to connect some of these to our text node. It's very simple. You just click, drag, and drop. Let's do this for a few more. From the AI models, I'm going to choose ChatGPT 5.2 and hit generate. Now our 30-day social media plan is ready. In order to have easy viewing, I've copied and pasted all the text into a document. You can see for each post, it has captions and hashtags that are optimized for social media. Now comes the fun part. Let's create some visuals for each post. For 30 days, let's create 3 nodes next to our text node. I'll choose the right settings for only the first one, and then I'll simply duplicate it until I have 30 nodes. As you can see in the document, we essentially have 30 image prompts, one for each day of the 30-day plan. So all we need to do is connect the brand images to each node, type in a corresponding prompt, and wait for the results. Let's test run the first post. In the prompt box, I'm going to type in create a social media image post based on this text. And then after that, I'm going to paste the first day plan from my document. Now I'll select all of the brand images and make a connection to the image node. The images are now connected and the prompts and settings are ready to go. So let's hit run and wait for the magic. Oh, this looks great. It looks super realistic. I would eat this croissant right now. I'm kinda starving right now. I'll grab some lunch after filming this video. Now let's have the same steps for the rest of the first week and see what Flow comes up with. After 5 minutes, I have ready to post fantastic images that will surely grow my brand's Instagram. Lastly, I'll go through the rest of the 30-day plan with the corresponding prompts from the document. Look at this, guys. Isn't this awesome? Each image looks pretty professional and they are following the brand's colors and even using our logo correctly. It really seems like I hired some professional freelancers to do this job. And just like that, in less than an hour, we have a very strong social media posting plan for 30 days with ready images, captions, and hashtags. But you might want to resize them for social media. For example, for Instagram stories, which are vertical 9:16. So I'll simply create a new connected image node, select the aspect ratio from the settings, and simply type in the prompt box resize. Now I have some vertical versions of the same images that are ready to go on my stories. And there you have it. A full month of content ready to go in less time than it takes to grab a coffee. You've seen how easy it is to pair a strategy with AI to create some professional brand visuals that actually can sell. Don't stop here, treat this as your foundation. Play around with new styles, test different prompts, and let your brand's personality shine. Can't wait to see what you will create, so share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe. I'm Haik and I'll see you around.